Today I'll show you how to earn extra money online by just typing CAPTCHAS, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. It is absolutely free to join and worldwide available. In order to get the desired results, make sure to keep watching until the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on in order to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this video, and also you can just share it with your friends too if you think that they are going to benefit from this tutorial as well. Without any further ado, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything, and I highly recommend that you stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to share with you multiple platforms, so just make sure to follow every step right. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is called CAPTCHA. This is over at CAPTCHA.com. You can see that this is a platform where you can just complete CAPTCHAs and get paid. And I know that most of you know what CAPTCHAs are since we already see them whenever we create new websites. We get to complete a CAPTCHA before, so you need to write some letters and numbers in order to be able to confirm that you are not a robot. So you can see over here that this is some home date entry work. They offer instant payments and it's very easy to start. You can even click on learn more and it's going to take you over to this page where you can see some features and information about this job. You can make money even on your mobile phone without any investment. You're going to get instant payments, and this is a nice way to earn some extra money from home. You can see of course that you're not going to make a lot of money since this is just an easy way to earn some extra money, and it's for those people that don't have a job right now and so on. So you can see over here that you're going to get paid in different payment methods including web money, perfect money, Cash, Payeer, RTM, Bitcoin and so on. So there are multiple payment options. You can even see how you're going to get started. All you need is a computer or a smartphone device with an internet connection. They're also going to give you some simple free training so you can learn how to do the job and then you can start earning money, which is a nice way actually. Once you create your account, you can just hit start to work and then they are going to show you images with text and you should type the text to the form you are given. So this is all about this platform. You can just check out the reviews from Trustpilot and this are the platform as well. You can just see that they got 4.5 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome actually, and you can see what people have to say about this platform as well. So in order to get started, you need to find the sign up button up here. After that, you're going to put an email address, a password, put your password again, agree to our terms of service and privacy policy and click on the continue button. You can even sign up automatically with your Google account or Facebook account because it is a lot faster and easier, and it just requires one click of a button. So with that said guys, I'm going to proceed to the second platform for today, which is called Captcha Typers, and it's over at CaptchaTypers.com. You can earn money from the comfort of your home whenever you complete some CAPTCHAs, and as you can see, this is a perfect example of a CAPTCHA, and you're going to just write down these like letters and words. You can see here that they offer also a guide to work with this platform. You can click on it and it's going to take you over to another page where you can just read a lot of things about this platform and how you're going to get started, how to get your payment and so on. Of course, you need to create an account by clicking on the new user register. In this page, you're going to just see that you need to put an email address, a username, then your password, retype the password, complete the CAPTCHA and click on the submit button, and you can see that they advise you to not use a third-party software, use only softwares that are provided by them. The registration is completely free and also the app provided are totally free. You are paid if you work, so don't pay others to work in their website. So make sure to follow these rules over here. With that said, let me proceed to another platform that is going to pay you by just typing, which is called Mega Typers. This is over at megatypers.com. So you can see that these people here are earning more than $200 every month. So as I said before, this is a way to earn some extra money. That's why this platform is perfect for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students and people in between jobs. So they are looking for typers from all around the world. world, you can see that you need to have like an internet connection and a computer, and also the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. So you're going to find here flexible schedules, and also you can work at any time that you want, and also for as long as you please. The quicker you type, of course, the more money you're going to make. You're going to earn some typer credits that you're going to exchange for a dollar currency. So how much you earn depends on the amount of work that you're going to do. Their top typers earn between $100 and up to $250 every month. You can also see the rates start from 45 cents up to like $1.5. So you can even check out the payment methods as well, which includes debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, web money, perfect money, Payza, and Western Union. In order to get started with this platform, just click on the sign up button down here. Then in the next page, you're going to put an email address, a password, your name. So as you can see, all of these are required. Then your payment type, and as you can see, you can choose between PayPal, Western Union, perfect money, and so on. So you can just see that this information cannot be changed. So just make sure that you put the correct payment method over here. Then an invitation code. Of course, you don't have one, so what you can do is to go on Google and search for Mega Typers code. As you can see, you can just copy this code here and paste it over here in order to continue. Then just agree to the terms and conditions and just complete this CAPTCHA over here and click on the register button. So as you can see, whenever you register to a new platform, you need to complete some CAPTCHAs in order to get started. With that said, guys, I'm going to also mention one last thing. This platform has been around since 2012, as you can see down here. So this is a legit one that is going to get you paid, since most of the scam websites disappear after a short period of time. So with that said, I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called CAPTCHA or Solve CAPTCHA, and it's over at solvecaptcha.com, as you can see over here. So you can just see that you can get instant payments, and it's very easy to start. Click on the details button in order to learn more about this platform. You can just see that you need a computer, keyboard, and internet connection, and also they explain to you why you are getting paid, because there are lots of images that cannot be recognized automatically. So customers come over here in order to pay for recognition of these images, and Solve CAPTCHA is going to hire you. You're going to do that job and you're going to get paid. Even this platform offers you like a training task to show you how you can do the work, and then after 5 to 10 minutes you just can start earning money by solving those CAPTCHAs. This is a website that allows you to earn your first money internet, so of course they are not going to pay you a lot of money, since this is a strategy that it's only to make some extra dollars. So you just click on the create an account button up here. In the next page, you're going to put an email address, a password, then repeat the password, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on the register button in order to get started immediately. With that said, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.